Mate, let's get crack-a-lacking.
Cool.
Oh. Mate, let's not get crack-a-lacking. The car didn't want it.
With the gear check as well, it's killing me.
Mate, that's the thing, like, I do that, but I don't do the...
Yeah.
You can't not think about it. Into bed, I was closing my eyes going, mate, what is going on, mate?
And at the end of the road we'll turn right. I guess we're turning left then.
Oh, I wanted to go left.
Yeah, fair enough.
It just
enough,
looks
yeah.
nicer.
Yeah, it is nice to do.
Doesn't feel it.
Yeah. Cool, so we're going to do a forward bay park. Yeah, oh, it's not here.
Yeah, I was going to say, mate, that's quite easy, that is. I'll just keep driving forward.
When your door mirror gets in line with the line, cut in. Clutch. So have a little scan now, a little blind spot check. Yeah. Happy? We're starting checking mirrors now. You see where our lane's coming through those? Yeah.
Apart from stalling 3 times, quite good.
Yeah, I agree. So the start of the week, we've been moving off.
End of the week,
Full circle, moving off. But that is how the
cookie
crumbles, yeah. Good, nice.
I'm coming in slower with the clutch now. Not the roar in a bad way, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It was probably a louder roar than your average roar, but I feel like my problem before is I'd hear that roar and instantly just pull my foot off the clutch.
Yep. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
Feeling confident. Feeling probably...
Do you feel like you can drive a car?
Nah.
Nah? You got nothing?
Got nothing, mate.
Feel like you'd be at least safer on the roads on the bike?
yeah. No, I know how to ride a car. I would say I'm very confident driving a car now.
That's good.
It's like, I know whatever I'm kind of faced with isn't going to be an issue because I'm prepared in like all manner of things.